This is the NLC IS-10400 chin spoiler made for the Indian Scout models from 2025 and up. Now the Indian Scout already has that clean, aggressive look, but this NLC chin spoiler is going to take your bike up a notch. This isn't just some generic add-on sort of piece. This is actually made to fit the bike like it belongs there. Once you have it bolted and mounted onto the motorcycle, it's going to look like it came from factory. Now what I personally really like about this piece as well is how well it actually integrates into your bike's lines. So you're not adding something that sticks out awkwardly. Like I said, this is truly going to flow with the front end of your Scout, giving you a more low profile, finished sort of look to it. Installation is also going to be straightforward as well. There's no need to hack up anything or modify your bike at all. This is going to bolt right on, and the fit is precise, so you're going to get that clean look without any extra fuss. Plus, because it's designed with the bike's aerodynamics in mind, this is not going to interfere with your handling or airflow whatsoever. It's just a smooth, subtle style that's going to make a big difference to the bike. Now the included mesh grille that you see here does come unattached from the fender, so that you can have this fender painted separately. And then once you have it painted up and you're going to reinstall it, we do suggest the use of some adhesive to get this properly fixed in place. If you're thinking about giving your Indian Scout that extra edge, this NLC chin spoiler is a small piece that's going to make a big impact to your motorcycle. The Scout already turns heads, and this NLC chin spoiler is going to make that subtle difference to make sure that people will always notice. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, call us 786-242-5400. And if you found any value out of this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time.